Hey Meenal, you remember Sagarina was here and you have seen the journey, what obstacles she faced and all. But then now, like when she was in her university, she was coming and telling me, thankfully she attended DP because it helped her in future prospects, like in her universities. So those, PPs or what you extended essays which you gave them as a task, it really helped them for their future.
I agree to
Yeah.
that. Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
Because the same thing my daughter also actually experienced.
Yes.
I mean, because of this research work and everything, no, citation is something that has become so easy for her. Writing those essays.
Yes.
I mean, DP actually has helped her a lot.
Initially, we think like, oh my God, so much, so brainstorming, such a big task.
And now, when my son have entered DP, actually I was worried how they will be doing all these extended essays and citation and research. But now they are very much gelled up with that,
Yes.
and they are actually doing well.
The other day, I mean, Sunanda was actually extremely worried.
Yeah,
My daughter is so
really.
new how it's going to be like. I was trying to, like pacify her and tell her ki you don't have to worry at all. It's like perfect choice that you have made for your daughter's future. I mean, DP.
I'm actually worried
Yeah.
कि what after DP about
That's one of
that.
the main concerns
One
of
question which
parents.
I actually face when I am seeing that DP. Okay, but after DP what?
See, my daughter is presently doing psychology major with business marketing as the minor. So she never, I think because of DP, all these subjects, they do not, bifurcate the streams and all, right? So even when she is doing psychology, she is able to go for marketing.
Yes.
Right together. And she has
या मेरा
never
बेटा भी
faced-
कर रहा है इसी तरह से कि मतलब वो स्ट्रीम को पर्टिकुलर जो स्ट्रीम है
हाँ, हाँ,
साइकोलॉजी प्लस अदर
बिल्कुल।
जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स है उस बहुत इफेक्टिवली उसका जो सिलेक्शन है और
हाँ।
उसका रिलेटेड जो है
तो
काफी
ये
अच्छा है।
आगे जाके भी बहुत हेल्प करता
Help
है
करेगा
बिकॉज
ये।
नथिंग everything they have done before
Yes.
in IBDP, so that way.
Yeah.
But does it really help? As a parent, we are always concerned about are we making the right choice for our kids?
Absolutely right.
IB is the future of next generation.
And DP
I
is
must
making them more responsible, I suppose.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अच्छी ली
responsible.
उन्होंने या
Yeah, that I can vouch for because I've seen her, take up, her responsibilities well, and also to, streamline her projects, and she's much more aware of the deadlines and the timelines.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Time management is another
will-
skill.
Yes,
I think, that
definitely.
helps, yeah.
Children, they develop automatically.
काफ़ी
Agree,
रिसर्च वगैरह चालू किया उन्होंने मतलब जो गैजेट के थ्रू और जो वेबसाइट्स के थ्रू काफ़ी रिसर्च करके
जी, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, yeah.
दे आर गेटिंग मोर एंड मोर नॉलेज रिलेटेड टू द सब्जेक्ट
Time management is perfect because earlier what I have seen is little bit they were
They go hayway.
but now they are actually perfect in time management.
Yes.
Yes, and they know what to do.
Very true.
I think what actually pulled me towards this curriculum was that the prospect of having a 360-degree learning, and that's something. Although everyone says that we have 360-degree learning, but no one actually is able to walk the line, walk the mile. So I guess if like during this program, students will actually be able to achieve their potential and to discover their capabilities.
Yes.
And proceed on to newer horizons and to achieve new heights in their career. That's what I think.
And
it
the
will happen.
environment that they get in the school, in DP area,
Yes.
then teachers are helping them to overcome their difficulties.
My God, really, I
really-
completely agree. The teachers of DP, they are all, very knowledgeable and have a thorough knowledge about DP program.
Very correct.
So they guide students minutely. And
Improve their minute mistakes also.
Mistakes, yes.
So that makes
Yeah.
them
And in fact, I would say that one more thing I saw in my daughter was that she has become so confident.
Yes.
And she never, that was one big problem. Like public speaking was a big problem for her. But I saw that because of all the presentations that she has been doing, now she's so confident on the stage. So I think that is
That gives an
wonderful.
edge to her
Wonderful.
personality.
Yeah, absolutely. Add
So
on.
overall
Yeah.
development and personality is actually groomed up.
एक्चुअली वो पूरे टीम में एक साथ काम करके काफ़ी अच्छा डिस्कशन,
Yes,
इंटरनल
yes, sir.
डिस्कशन आल्सो दे आर डूइंग वेरी नाइसली. मींस कभी देखता हूँ मैं घर पे भी शाम को या रात में दे आर डिस्कसिंग ईच
Yes,
एंड
yes.
अदर
Collaboration is another big thing actually.
DP जो दिखता है, like lot of TOK, thesis, extended essays, PPs, like lot of things are there. But you know, children, they come out as outshine. When they outshine with their field, then they feel, thankfully I did my DP. That's what even my daughter says, Mom, like whatever, because now when I just look at her, the way she talks, I always feel like I'm thanking God, and like I really feel thanks that I vouch for IB, because IB is today's and IB will be tomorrow. And it is, now I agree that IB will take over the curriculum, education field.
Very true.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's
that,
correct.
that is very much required also
Very
for
much
the future
required.
generation.
You know, the way they polish, they train our students.
Communication skills, which I have seen here, is
Yeah, yeah.
basically communication skill is developed.
Yes.
The speaking skills,
You
research
saw
skills.
even in ISSO,
Yeah,
how
in
they
ISSO.
performed. It was completely a student-centered program. And how successfully they did it.
Yeah,
That's true,
very
very
nice.
They took up everything. They did everything by
It
themselves.
was completely student led.
And we were just
And we were,
behind.
yeah,
The teachers were all behind.
really, it was very good.
So it's glad, like, you know, DP, MYP, PYP, EYP, they are helping our children to face the real life.
Challenges. Yes, absolutely.
मुझे पहले लग रहा था कि डीपी शायद ले रहे हैं तो डिसीजन ठीक है नहीं है, बिकॉज आफ्टर द 10th ऐसा मुझे लगा कि कहीं गलत तो नहीं डिसीजन. देयर कैन बी सम अदर वेज टू इम्प्रूव द चाइल्ड, बट अल्टीमेटली अभी कुछ जो डीपी में आने के बाद जो चेंज दिख रहा है बच्चों में,
जी बिल्कुल.
दैट्स इट्स वेरी वेरी
Very
रिमार्केबल.
positive, absolutely. Agree.
Yes.